Okay, topics is physics for engineers. Topics is dynamics, VG support. So you have problem 24. The upward normal force exerted by the floor is 620 Newton on an elevator passenger who weighs 650 Newton. What are the reaction forces to these two forces? Reaction forces. um, oh. Your weight, bagalatiyahin kuan. Drawing on taha. You have someone at an elevator, tapos igfifriteya. So dala. Tapos amin nimo elevator. Sir, gimbulag man sir, nalutaw man niya. Gimfree talaya, free body diagram. Bulagon tagad. Sigun ta adi ya di diha salud. Ada tiya didi. So may daniya bugat nga 650. Weight niya is 650 Newton. Tapos may dani mo action, actually free body diagram bubulagon mo tiya adi dito mo 650 Newton. 650 Newton ngan adi dito imo 620 Newton. Ini nga 620 Newton amo ini an force of the elevator on men. Actually, kung didiha elevator, may dito niya baliktad nga elevator. May dito baliktad nga force. So that is itawag ini, that would be a F E FM on the elevator, FM and E, which is actually 620 Newton, which is actually a negative 620 Newton or a 620 Newton going down. So amit i reaction force didiha elevator. Actually ini didi this is accelerating because you have a summations of F. So kay y man laya pwede lang kita mag Fy. Summations of Fy is not equal to 0. So this is actually second law, which is the law of acceleration. So tigang yan na pag diri nga niya basic, it's either masusulod tiya first law or second law. Diba? 3 cases. It's either mga basic ya, ini diretso naman. Kaya dari depende mat libro. But if I'm going to make a book, of course, ato nga akong gindiscuss sa iyo, hininayang ko tiya nga diri ya maigo. But anyway, simple ba niya dur? So, diretso ti application. So, you have a summations of Fy which is 650 Newton going down. So, you have a 650 Newton going down and you have a 620 Newton going up. Tapos, equality to MA. Kami da kuman summations of forces. Okay? Therefore, may danihin ni acceleration which is 650 divided by 9.80665. Newton is kilogram meters per second squared while this one is meters per second squared. In Newton ini ha. Newton, this is the mass. And then we can compute actually for the acceleration on the y. Okay? So 650 minus, you have a 30 Newton or kilogram meters per second squared. You have 650 cancel sa 650 kilogram over 9.80665 wala na unit kaya tanggal ko na. So therefore you can calculate your AY to be negative ay ano ba 80665 divided by 650 and that will give you 0.45 negative 0.453 meters per second squared. So it just means nga ini nga imo acceleration, the acceleration of the man inside the elevator is negative or going down. So meaning the acceleration is going down, waray man niya maghataghin ano senaryohin pero you could just imagine your acceleration is going down not because of course apil na itong kanang kundi da kay gina-account naman ka ng gravity to dida it can sigurate ya kung nakapuno diya it imo ini nga normal force is the same kung nasa kaya igbaw magiging makusog it imo normal force ibig sabihin kaya humina ini normal force ti paubos it imo movement ini ti paubos yung movement. So the AY, the negative there is it signifies nga not actually deceleration kundi ti paubos yung acceleration. Negative. Okay, so it's going down. Pwede ka summering 0.453 meters per second squared, your acceleration is going down. Actually, deceleration is you also have a for a negative acceleration actually pwede kasi tiya ti paigbaw pa ya pero nagtitikahinay na ti paundang pwede kasi so dito but in this case that negative is talks about nga nimo motion di ba para ba aton G is negative free fall pag itcha mo igbaw the acceleration is going down amo tiya nahinay o can we call it deceleration pero actually to a certain degree magtitipaubos ito iya kay because the acceleration is constant hindi yan kabutang the acceleration is negative as well as the movement. Okay, elevator na guys amo na tak mayakan amo man la action forces adi man lahiya did we miss something la mo la tiya FM and E. Okay, thank you guys for listening.